and it's really, really hard, to be honest.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know what single.
So I am 100% aware of the fact that I look like a mess right now, but that is why I thought of just taking up the camera. And मैं अभी just सो के उठी हूँ कुछ time पहले, and I haven't even washed my face, and I decided that it's the time that I take up the camera and talk to you guys about it. So not all days are equal. I usually come across very happy, very chirpy, and that I always have my life intact, but it's really not the case. So many of you guys, I am too struggling with this time of COVID, and it's really, really hard, to be honest. Maybe last कोई video में तो I even told you guys that I get really anxious and sad when I really don't have anything to look upon, and that is exactly the case right now. I have nothing to do. So these past days have been terrible. I have been feeling shit. I have been feeling really bad about my body because I have not been exercising. I just don't have the power to exercise these days, and there is zero motivation. I have been eating quite a lot in the last 2-3 days. It is a problem with me that if I don't exercise or eat healthy, I naturally feel very sad and very bad about my own self. It has been quite a lot of negativity everywhere. All of our social medias are just filled with people requiring oxygen, dying because of it, and something as basic as air is so precious right now, which we never thought that a time would come where we will be dying because of lack of oxygen. So I have been having kind of really tough days, and I haven't even, like, I have done nothing as of to feel myself better. So I thought that today is the day when I finally give this day to myself, and I haven't washed my hair since so long, like it's as basic as it can get. So I thought of doing some things and having a self-care day. So if you have been feeling the same way, please just dedicate a day to yourself. Do everything that you love because you deserve it, and not every day has to be productive. So the agenda for today is first to take bath, then wash my hair, do all the scrubbing and everything that I enjoy. Just do all the basic skincare things. I'll shave, I'll apply a mask. The last 1 or 2 vlogs that I have done, it's all about happy moments, cooking and spending a productive day. I wanted to also film a day where things are not as positive as they always look. So let's just get into the video and spend the day together.
You have to start romanticizing your life. You have to start thinking of yourself as the main character. Because if you don't, life will continue to pass you by. And all the little things that make it so beautiful will continue to go unnoticed. So take a second and look around and realize that it's a blessing for you to be here right now.
So now I have taken the bath, and it was the most relaxing bath ever. मैंने almost 1 hour नहा लिया है, और I had so much fun. I played music, I danced, and it was such a therapy. I'm telling you, doing something as basic as taking a bath can feel so therapeutic, and it's so great. Now मैं नहाने से पहले ही अपना ये जूस बना गई थी जो मैंने आपको दिखाया था, द वेजिटेबल जूस, एंड आई एम गेटिंग बैक टू माई हेल्दी थिंग. सो it's too good, guys, it's too good. Now I'm going to enjoy this juice, and along with that I'm just going to shave and do my skincare.
I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past sleep. Another cause that we can fly with the baseline. I know, I know, I know, I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you. I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you.
Such an amazing feeling. All the skincare and hair care, I'm also planning to do some makeup just to make myself feel a little better and also to be productive. I've been very lazy from the past 2-3 days, so me and Nikita have decided that we'll film some reels together. So I'll do my makeup right now and see you after that.
I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you.
So I have done my makeup and I got ready and I feel so good. It really worked. Having a bath, getting ready, all of it truly worked. You should do it too. तो मैं और निक्की almost same तैयार हुए हैं. We are both wearing black spaghettis and we are filming a reel together. And now it's time to do some work. Get your shit together and do it. And also make sure you following us on our Instagram so that you are up to date as to what we are shooting right now. So now it's the most favorite time मेरा और निक्की का and it's the coffee time. So it's evening और मैं और निक्की we drink coffee every day, every evening. That is our time and we talk. We sometimes makes popcorn or maybe some healthy snacks.
Babe, I just feel alright when you hold me tight. I feel so fine when I'm in your arms. I love you, baby. Hold me tight. Babe, I just feel alright when you hold me tight. I feel so fine when I'm in your arms. I love you, baby. Hold me tight. Babe, I just feel alright when you hold me tight. I feel so fine when I'm in your arms. I love you, baby. Hold me tight.
So a part of my good day is eating good meals and that is what I'm having right now. It's my dinner time and I'm having dinner with the fam. With Nikki and Mama. So that is how my dinner look like. It's 150 grams of chicken, some steamed veggies and ये है पापा का खाना. उनकी पार्टी शार्टी चलती रहती है. He is living his life to the fullest. It's more like a therapy, right?
Yeah, it is.
It's such a self-care thingy.
Yeah.
with my nighttime skincare routine. I'm really sorry that I forgot to show you guys that as a means of staying productive and doing something, I also did organize my makeup area, which I'll just show you guys. So this is what me and Nikki did. We just cleaned this entire area. So this is the whole makeup area that I have, and I can't even show you नीचे का that वो मेरे कपड़े हैं और बहुत गंदे तरीके से पड़े हैं. तो आज हमने यही ठीक किया. तो this is how it looks. This is our स्किन केयर बास्केट. अभी इसमें पूरा स्किन केयर तो नहीं आ पाया, लेकिन जितना हम डेली बेसिस पे यूज़ करते हैं इसके अंदर वो है. इसके अंदर हमारे सारे स्पॉन्ज है. ये क्लिप सॉरी इसमें थे पर ये मैंने बाहर छोड़ दिए. और ये हमारा हेयर केयर है सारा. एंड दिस इज़ ऑल आवर मस्कारा एंड एवरीथिंग. दिस इज़ ऑल आवर परफ्यूम्स राइट हेयर. ब्रशेज़ हैं. इधर हम लोगों ने अपने नेक पीसेस और अपनी रिंग्स रखी हुई हैं. And this is the makeup thing. These two are for lipsticks. Those are for highlighter, palettes, and all of it. And when we come here, this is our nail paint stand. So we kept the nail paint here. These are all our eyeshadow palettes. These are some miscellaneous things. And वो भी सब ऐसे miscellaneous है. ये वाला थोड़ा सा हमारा हेयर टूल्स और जो भी ये इसमें हमारे इयररिंग्स हैं. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. और मुझे तो लगता है मी एंड निक्की डिड अ प्रिटी गुड जॉब. सेल्फ केयर इज़ नॉट सेल्फिश, इट इज़ नेसेसरी. इट इज़ नॉट जस्ट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर बॉडी, इट्स द टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर माइंड, योर इमोशंस एंड एवरी पार्ट ऑफ योर सेल्फ. Taking care of yourself is not a sign of weakness, but a sign that you have the inner strength to give your body what it needs, to feel nourished, loved, and cared for. After all, there's only one corner of the universe you can be certain of improving, and that is your own self. So don't give up on you, no matter how many trials it takes. Get up and rule, because that is what you're made for. Signing.